Have you ever wondered what could happen to your body if you drink ginger tea every day? Could something as simple as a warm cup of tea have the power to transform your health? What if I told you that ginger tea might just be the ultimate daily habit you've been missing out on? In today's video, we're exploring 8 incredible reasons why making ginger tea a part of your daily routine could be one of the best decisions you ever make. Ginger has been celebrated for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern research continues to validate these claims. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your digestion, or boost your immune system, ginger tea offers a host of benefits that are simply too good to ignore. Let's dive into why you should start sipping this powerful drink every day. Benefit number 1: promotes weight loss. Let's start with a benefit that's sure to catch your attention: weight loss. If shedding a few extra pounds has been a challenge, ginger tea might be the missing piece of your puzzle. Ginger has thermogenic properties, which means it can increase your body's metabolism and enhance calorie burning. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogaol, stimulate biological activities that break down fat and prevent the formation of new fat cells, particularly in stubborn areas like belly fat. But that's not all. Ginger tea also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial in controlling cravings and reducing hunger pangs. A study from Columbia University found that consuming ginger tea can enhance feelings of fullness, making it easier to resist the temptation to snack between meals. This effect not only supports weight loss, but also promotes healthier eating habits. Additionally, ginger tea aids digestion, ensuring that your body efficiently processes food and absorbs nutrients. A well-functioning digestive system prevents bloating and helps maintain a flatter stomach, further contributing to a slimmer appearance. Combined with its ability to reduce water retention, ginger tea is a natural ally in your weight loss journey. Benefit number 2: alleviates nausea and vomiting. Ginger has long been known for its ability to ease nausea, making ginger tea an excellent remedy for those suffering from morning sickness, motion sickness, or nausea related to chemotherapy. The compounds gingerol and shogaol are particularly effective in calming the stomach by interacting with the digestive tract to reduce spasms and discomfort. A study published in the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine confirmed ginger as a highly effective remedy for nausea. For pregnant women, ginger tea offers a safe and natural alternative to medication for managing morning sickness. Just a small cup of ginger tea in the morning or throughout the day can make a significant difference in how you feel. Even if you're not dealing with severe nausea, ginger tea can still be beneficial after a large meal or whenever your stomach feels uneasy. It helps prevent indigestion and keeps your digestive system calm, making it a great choice for those prone to digestive discomfort. Benefit number 3: promotes digestive health. Speaking of digestion, ginger tea is a time-honored remedy for a variety of digestive issues. It works by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. When your digestive system is functioning optimally, you're less likely to experience discomfort such as bloating, gas, or indigestion. Ginger tea also enhances gastrointestinal motility, ensuring that food moves smoothly through your digestive tract. This can be particularly beneficial for people suffering from chronic indigestion or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, as it reduces the time food spends in the stomach, minimizing the risk of discomfort and bloating. For those who struggle with occasional constipation, ginger tea acts as a mild laxative, helping to regulate bowel movements and keep your digestive system on track. By promoting overall digestive health, ginger tea helps ensure that your body efficiently processes and eliminates waste, contributing to better overall well-being. Benefit number 4: combats inflammation and infections. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, and ginger's anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful tool in combating this issue. Gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger, has been shown to reduce inflammation in conditions such as arthritis, osteoarthritis, and other inflammatory disorders. By inhibiting the production of inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, ginger reduces the inflammatory response and helps alleviate symptoms. But ginger's benefits don't stop there. It also has potent antimicrobial properties, making ginger tea an excellent choice for supporting your immune system. Whether you're dealing with a cold, the flu, or respiratory issues, a warm cup of ginger tea can provide relief and speed up recovery. The antioxidants in ginger tea help neutralize free radicals, which can otherwise weaken the immune system and increase the risk of infection. Additionally, ginger tea can help treat infections in the oral cavity and throat, such as gingivitis and tonsillitis. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger make it a versatile remedy for various health issues, from the common cold to chronic inflammatory conditions. Benefit number 5. Alleviates muscle and joint pain. If you experience muscle or joint pain, ginger tea might be the natural remedy you've been looking for. Studies from the University of Georgia suggest that regular consumption of ginger can reduce muscle pain caused by physical activity as well as chronic conditions like fibromyalgia. The analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger work together to alleviate discomfort, providing a natural and effective way to manage pain without relying on over-the-counter medications. Ginger's ability to reduce pain is due to its effect on prostaglandins, which are hormone-like substances that mediate inflammation and pain. By inhibiting the production of these substances, ginger helps to reduce inflammation and the associated pain. This makes ginger tea an excellent choice for those who suffer from chronic pain conditions or who experience soreness after exercise. Moreover, ginger tea can improve flexibility and mobility by reducing stiffness in the joints. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with arthritis, as it can help reduce stiffness and pain associated with the condition. By incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine, you may find that your joints feel less stiff and more comfortable, allowing you to move more freely. Benefit number 6. Relieves menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps can be incredibly painful and disruptive, but ginger tea offers a natural remedy that can be as effective as traditional pain relievers. Research has shown that ginger can significantly reduce the severity of menstrual cramps by relaxing the muscles of the uterus. The phenolic compounds in ginger provide analgesic effects, making it a powerful ally for women dealing with painful periods. Ginger tea is particularly effective when taken at the onset of menstruation, helping to reduce the intensity of cramps and shorten the duration of pain. In some studies, ginger has been shown to be as effective as over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen for relieving menstrual pain, making it a great option for those who prefer natural remedies or who want to avoid the side effects of medications. In addition to relieving cramps, ginger tea can also help reduce other symptoms associated with menstruation, such as bloating, nausea, and headaches. By drinking ginger tea regularly, you can make your menstrual cycle more manageable and reduce the impact it has on your daily life. Benefit number 7. Promotes satiety and blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, particularly for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Ginger's ability to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels makes it an excellent addition to your daily routine. Regular consumption of ginger tea has been shown to reduce blood glucose levels by up to 35%, making it a valuable tool for managing diabetes. Ginger tea's impact on blood sugar regulation is due to its ability to enhance insulin's action, allowing cells to take up glucose more efficiently. This helps prevent the spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels that can lead to cravings, fatigue, and overeating. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, ginger tea can help reduce hunger and promote a feeling of fullness, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet. Moreover, ginger tea's ability to promote satiety can help reduce cravings and support weight management efforts, making it a win-win for your health. By drinking ginger tea regularly, you can help keep your appetite in check and avoid the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Benefit number 8. Enhances memory. Finally, ginger's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties offer protective benefits for brain health. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, ginger can help guard against cognitive decline. Research conducted by Hindawi Publishing Corporation found that ginger can improve working memory in middle-aged women, suggesting it may serve as a cognitive enhancer. Ginger's effects on memory are attributed to its ability to protect the brain from oxidative damage and inflammation, both of which are major contributors to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. By incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine, you can support your brain health and help keep your mind sharp as you age. In addition to memory enhancement, ginger tea can also help improve mood and reduce anxiety. The calming properties of ginger can soothe the mind and promote relaxation, making it easier to focus and concentrate. Whether you're dealing with a busy workday or just want to unwind, ginger tea is a simple and natural way to support your mental well-being. Now that we've explored these 8 incredible benefits of ginger tea, it's clear that this powerful beverage has a lot to offer. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, or boost your immune system, ginger tea can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Preparing ginger tea is simple and requires just a few ingredients. Start by slicing or grating a small piece of fresh ginger root. Boil the ginger in water for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. You can add a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of lemon for added flavor, or enjoy it plain to fully appreciate its natural, warming taste. Remember, while ginger tea offers numerous health benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication, be sure to consult with a healthcare provider before making ginger tea a regular part of your routine. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the benefits of making ginger tea a daily habit. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider sharing this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Have you tried ginger tea as part of your daily routine? We'd love to hear your experiences. Share them in the comments below. Stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of natural health.